Good morning, San Pablo friends. Since I'm here in my office all by myself, I'm going to take my mask off so you can hear me a little better. So today for our Calm Classroom practice, we're going to do a practice that's called listening to sound and silence. So we will be listening to sounds in the room and we will be listening to the silence in our room. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to sit straight and comfortably in our chairs. You can rest your hands on your desk or on your lap. If you're comfortable closing your eyes, you can do so. If not, just pick one spot that you want to look at while we're doing our practice. So feel your feet flat on the floor. Relax your shoulders back and down. Let your whole body be still. Feel the air moving gently in and out of your nose. As you become aware of any sounds in your room, listen to them without moving your body. As you become aware of the silence in your room, listen to it without moving your body. If you notice any thoughts passing through your mind, just let them float away and bring your attention back to the sounds and the silence. Feel the air moving in and out of your nose. Now let's take a deep breath in and hold it. And exhale. Now notice how you feel. If you had your eyes closed, go ahead and open them. Hope you'll have a wonderfully calm and peaceful day.